For the chicken broth, I just saved like a whole grocery bag full of chicken bones and then put them in my large pressure canners, added some herbs from my garden like parsley, sage, oregano, and some celery I grew, along with onions and garlic, and peppercorns and bay leaves and a splash of apple cider vinegar to help get the minerals out of the bones. I filled the pot up with water, then pressure cooked them for 3 hours. After that, I strained the broth, salted to taste, and then pressure canned them with an inch of headspace for 25 minutes at 15 pounds of pressure.